We have been talking a lot about factors, so do a review of what factors are of just our numbers. This is stuff that we learned a long time ago, but it's good to get a refresher. So what's the definition of factors? What are factors? Factors are the numbers that we can multiply together to get another number. So list all the factors of 84. So this is all of the factors, we're not just talking about prime factors. So I'm not just gonna turn on my calculator and say menu to 3 and type in 84. This gives me the prime factors. I want all of the factors. So what do I know? 84. Remember, everything is a factor of 1. So 1 times what gives me 84? Well, that's 84. Okay, so I'm going to find the other factors. Well, let's see if 2 is a factor. I'm looking for numbers that multiply together. So an x times a y, that gives me 84. So what I can do is take numbers here, put numbers here, like 2, 3, 6, etc., and see what multiplies by that to give me 84, if anything does. And so the reverse of that, remember the opposite of multiplication, I can divide both of these sides by x. So I can plug in numbers here and divide by 84 to see if it's a factor of 84. Remember, our factors are going to give us only whole numbers. So I can say, let's just start off with 2. 84 divided by 2. Since I get 42, that means that 2 and 42 are factors of 84. So let's try 84 divided by 3. That one works. 84 divided by 4 again. 84 divided by 5. Okay, and this calculator gives me a fraction, which means that the answer is not a whole number, which means that 5 is not a factor of 84. So we move on. 84 divided by 6. So 6 and 14. 84 divided by 7 is 12. 84 divided by 8. Oh, another fraction, not a factor. 84 divided by 9. Another fraction, not a factor. 84 divided by 10. Nope. 84 divided by 11. Nope. 84 divided by 12 gives me 7. We already have that written down. That means that we have, since we're back to our last factor we wrote down, these are all of the factors of 84. Okay. Is 6 a factor of 134? How do we find that out? We take 134 divided by 6 and see what it equals. So 134 divided by 6 gave me a fraction, which the decimal of that is 22.33. Since we got a fraction or a decimal number, that means that 6 is not a factor of 134. So the answer is no, it's not a factor. Okay, same thing here. Is 3 a factor of 207? 207 divided by 3 gives me 69. So gave me a whole number. So yes, it is a factor. So I want you to keep this in mind going forward as we're doing factors and we're figuring out other kinds of factors. Is a factor is a number that is multiplied by another number to get a number. So if I want to know if something is a factor of something else, I take that something else divided by that and see if it works out.